This is the Fiat forum where people have complained about rattling from the back, and you can see it's like, is it the back axle? Is it the rear parcel shelf? Is it the wheels? Is it the suspension? Is it this, that, and the other? There's all sorts. But yeah, there's quite a few there. They seem to suggest it's not always gone. It's some bits go, and then is it the back seat? And they tried this on the back seat and the partial shelf and whatever, but then not fixed. So this is quite an item. And I got the idea from what I started looking at on the car to find out where the problem was. And luckily in the next video, you'll see what the problem is and the cure. Thanks.